Hey Alex, so I understand that your changes are not applied in the uh, what's it called? In the preview after you view it. So there are a few ways we can see why that is. One of the ways is to check and make sure that you've cleared your cache and your cookies, so that if it's a cache problem, that's done. I think the main reason why this is happening is because of your custom code. So this should be your third um, troubleshooting. What we're going to do is we're going to troubleshoot. So I'm going to give you two other ways to test this, but if those two don't work, you need to take off this custom code and then put it into a notepad, and then come and save and clear your cache after doing that as well, and then preview. Okay, so that's one way to go about it. But before you do that, go to integrations, select HTML form, select existing form, click on parse and save web form. It's going to show you connected. Go out, click on save, give it 10 to 20 seconds, come back into the editor again, go to integration and remove the integration you had just created, then go out and click on save and preview. Now if that doesn't work as well, you want to go to the gear icon here, click on that and put in 1, 2, scroll down, click on the update page at the bottom here. Okay, so do this one first, the path change, put 1, 2, scroll down, click on update page. If that doesn't work, go into the editor and do the parse and save web form on the settings at the top left. If that doesn't work, then remove the custom code, and of course at all times after making changes, try and clear your cache and your cookies so that we make sure the cache is out of the picture as well, or you can just test it in an incognito window, and then let me know if that works. Bye for now.